What's going on? It's your favorite trans girl here on YouTube, Molly Carter. So today's video is going to be a new video. Bring you back another monkey video because I know y'all like these monkey videos, so I'm gonna start doing them more. I think I'm just gonna stick to doing monkey videos by myself. Yeah, so we're about to get started and do these monkey videos. So today, I'm not going to really be trolling them. I'm going to try to be nice to them today. I am going to just, just be on here chatting and trying to, I'm going to just be kind of like flirting with the niggas. So, hopefully my boobs don't pop out.
Yo, what it do?
Nothing, chilling. What you got going on?
Chilling. I was just smoking, you know.
I feel you.
Where you from?
You said what?
I said, where you from?
Houston.
Oh, word.
Where you
I'm in
from?
New York.
You,
I'm from New York.
New York. You there right now?
Yeah, your nips is slipping.
I know. I'm fixing it. I'm fixing it.
Yeah.
I can barely hear him. He's from Germany. Hello.
Hey. What are you doing?
You said what?
What?
I can't hear you. No, why they talking so low? You say your nips so I know they slipping. They always slipping. My nipples always slipping. What's that?
Bitch, I ain't got your time, mama.
Why you being so mean?
Bitch, you
You said what?
don't let me. Yeah, hit next and keep it moving, mama.
Why you being mean?
Bitch, hit next, motherfucker. Damn.
Now see, I was trying to be motherfucking nice, but now I'm about to read your dirty red mouth ass. You over there with that $2 ass motherfucking chain and that flimsy ass $2 ass motherfucking hat with your black cookie crumb looking ass. You look like a roach just on your motherfucking wall with them thin ass sheets that you got. You black panther looking ass motherfucker. Bitch, I'm about to read the fuck out you. You should have let me sit there. You should have sat there and wrote that fucking weed that you got in your motherfucking hand with that $2 ass motherfucking shit that you buy. You buy dime bags, my nigga.
You gonna bow down.
You said what?
I ain't stutter, bitch.
You did stutter. You talking really low.
Fucking faggot.
Bitch, you a faggot. I got whole titties. How I'm a faggot? My ID says female. My birth certificate says female. So how am I a faggot? Fuck out of here, you ignorant bitch. These people are so fucking rude. What's going on? I'm not your type, my love. You said what? I don't know why it's for that.
Ew. I love them. I'm sorry, I just love them. You got dimples too, don't you? I know you do. Hey, there it is.
I'm not about to play with him.
The fuck? Get it out at least. Take it out and let me see it. Better than hiding this piece. Wait. Can I lick it?
Oh my god, I forgot I was on YouTube. What's that?
What's good with you? God damn, look at them things.
I can't hear you. You talking too loud.
So what's good?
What's up with you?
Shit, just chilling.
You said what?
Just chilling.
I feel you. Me
Me
too.
too.
Why I can't see you?
You said what?
Why I can't see you?
I'm trying to bust a nut.
Let me see.
You get me hard?
These people are fucking creepy. Try to key and say let me see. Hi there, between. I know I got some pretty boobies.
Damn, what's up?
I'm not your type, baby.
Oh shit, let me go.
Niggas do too fucking much. It's really not that serious. Hi, Fat Joe. What the fuck is that? Bobblehead ass bitch. Show me, show me. Whoa.
You want me to come for you?
Yeah, baby, come for me.
Take.
Bitch, you creepy ass. Like, what is wrong with y'all people? Like, children be on here. Children be on here. Why is y'all showing y'all dicks and stuff, Miss Thing? What the fuck is wrong with y'all? Y'all doing too much. It's children be on here. Why y'all doing that?
Ooh,
Hello?
baby girl, what is you gonna give me a heart attack for, girl? Hey,
I'm not playing with these people.
What's up, folks? Now, how your day been?
I'm not your type, my love.
You said what?
I'm not your type.
That ain't had nothing to do with a cordial conversation.
Okay, so what's up? My day's going good. How's yours?
My day cool. Like, I wasn't looking for no type.
Alright, I just had to, I didn't know what you was giving.
I got Instagram, Snapchat right there. Like, it's hella people on there.
Vice versa.
That's what I'm saying. I was just trying to have a cordial conversation, bro.
Alright. You getting butt?
Well,
You said what?
you said what? Nah, go ahead and say what you was about to say.
Bitch, now he probably on, since he had a lot of people. Bitch, I don't give a fuck about all of them people.
Oh shit.
Y'all fucking people are weird. Like, what the fuck? Like, y'all are weird. Men always gotta ruin stuff.
Let me see. Oh my God. Wow, what's up? How you doing? At time.
I'm doing good. How are you? Let me stop. I said I was gonna be nice.
Yo. Hello?
Not your type, baby.
Alright, hold on. Cause I don't want to be disrespectful or nothing. But like, are you like trans?
Yes, I'm trans.
How did you get titties like that?
What you mean?
You got regular let me see a nipple. How you get those, bruh?
What do you mean I grew them? I took the medicine.
That was for research purposes only. I wasn't trying to get a quick beat. I was curious.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Any more questions?
Nah.
All right.
Thank you
Well, I
though.
hope you have a great day.
Hope you do too.
Them boys be gagging. My titties look like realness titties, bitch. Realness.
Shit.
I ain't your type, boy.
What?
I'm not your type.
What you mean?
I'm trans.
Okay, I mean, I still like what I'm saying, I guess.
Thank you.
Can I see it
You said what?
again? Can I see it again?
Can you see what?
The tits, like,
You said my nip slip.
yeah.
Why
Can
you
I
want to
see
see
it
my
again?
titties?
Because they look great. Yeah. What's up?
What's up?
I'm good.
Where you at?
I'm from France.
You said what?
I'm from France.
Oh, you in France?
Yes.
I've been.
Nice. What you doing?
Huh?
What you doing?
I'm chilling. What you doing? What you over there doing?
I was watching TV.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like you kind of make me want to jerk off. I guess.
You want to jerk off?
I guess.
What you mean, you guys? It look like you doing it right now.
Oh,
Oh.
watching TV, but I'm kind of touching myself, like quickly.
I can't hear you. You talking too loud.
I said I kind of want to touch myself right now.
So why you just don't touch yourself? I'm confused.
Okay, I'll do so. What your body look like?
Why you want to see my body?
Cause it's hot, I guess. Like it's exciting.
You can follow me on Instagram and see my body.
Can you just show me something right now? Real
You
quick?
said what? What? Bitch, you don't see my body and see? Oh, shout out to Canada. That could have been my sugar daddy.
Shit, girl. Damn, you found what up?
I'm trans. I'm not your type.
Oh shit. At least she was 100 though. I fuck with you. At least she was 100 though. Real shit. Yo, how the you a tree dude?
Yes, I am.
Yo, nah, I ain't gonna come at you, but how much you paid for that shit? I said, how much you paid for that shit? You paid money for all that? Everything, no homo, like everything. Bro. So you pay like 50K for your whole body there? Oh, that's crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But yo, you was 100 though. I fuck with you. You're a real nigga though. Real shit.
A big motherfucking thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe if you want to see more monkey videos. Comment down below and let me know some different type of things that y'all want me to do on monkey. If you want more videos like this of me flirting with them and things like that, definitely comment down below. As always, I love my baby so much, and don't forget to follow me on all social media at Molly Carter. Period. Bye.